Hey guys, this is my Fiesta chicken. If you want to know how I made this, then keep watching. So this is my crock-pot chicken. It's Fiesta chicken. I took 3 pounds of chicken breast and cut them up. I added salsa to them, and I put the crock pot on high. So I'm going to let it cook for probably like 30 minutes. This is the salsa that I use, the Sabra salsa or Sabra. I don't know how it's pronounced, but this is really good salsa. And I used half a container, which is what's inside here. And I used just regular Tyson chicken breast. And so I'm going to let it cook, and then I'm going to add a can of reduced sodium black beans and corn. So I take my beans. I like to rinse my beans off because the juices have like a gray color and it colors the food, and I don't like my food like a dark color. So I basically rinsed and drained the beans, and then the corn is regular frozen corn. This is about 2 cups a piece, so it's 2 cups of beans and 2 cups of corn. And once this cooks for a little while, I'm going to stir it and add the corn and the beans. And then I'm going to add my seasoning packet, which is the Fiesta chicken seasoning mix. This also goes with rice, and so I'm going to make my rice in a little while and show you how I do my rice. This is a great dish that is healthy. It depends on how you eat it. You don't have to use rice. You can also put this on a bed of lettuce and eat it like a salad. It's really good that way also. If you want to go a more different route, you can also, when you plate it, put cheese on top. But I'll get into that when I get done letting this cook and adding my seasonings. So I'll be back. This has been cooking for about a half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. And I've stirred it with the salsa and everything in it. And now I'm going to add the corn and the beans in. And that's it. And I'm going to give it a little stir. Not much, but just enough. This recipe is also good and will add a little flavor if you would like to add like a little bacon to it, but I'm not going to do that. But I got corn on the corner. Okay. And so I'm going to let this finish cooking. It's supposed to cook for about, I think it said 8 hours, 4 hours on high. And I have it on high, and so I'm just going to basically test it. I'll know when it's done. I mean, when you're cooking something, you can tell when it's done or not. So, yeah. And then I'm going to add my seasonings in a minute also. So now I did add a couple strips of turkey bacon. And now I'm going to add my seasonings with some water. I use a pack and a half. Okay. And then I don't drench it in water, but I put enough of a coating in here. Trying not to make a mess because I'm using one hand. You don't have to limit this recipe to just corn and beans. You can add bell peppers, red peppers, onions, celery, anything you like. I just add this, and now I'm going to let it simmer for about, I don't know, about 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours. I usually check it every hour anyway, but I'd say maybe 2 or 3 hours. So checking in on my chicken Fiesta. It's nice and bubbly now, and just about done actually. Okay. The chicken is starting to get tender, which as it should be. So when the rice gets done, then I'm going to plate it on top of the rice. Okay, so my rice is done, and I'm going to plate this. Actually put it in a bowl. I've already started dipping. Trying to see if I can get this. Okay, and then this is just simmering away. I'm going to just take a little of it and put it right on top of the rice. I put it in a bowl because this mixture is a little bit soupy. It smells like tortilla soup. So if you're familiar with tortilla soup, that's what this smells like. And this is the finished product. So there it is. Like I said, you can put sour cream on top. You can put cheese or whatever it is that you like. And that is that.